Keeping track of tools can be a tedious task for any company. MAPCON's tool control makes tracking tools quick and easy. In this tutorial, we will look at how to designate and track tools within your MAPCON and MAPCON mobile system. Tool control is available both in Lite and Pro versions of MAPCON, but requires the Advanced Maintenance module. A tool is a designation given to certain equipment such as screwdrivers, compressors, or drills. To make this designation, navigate to the Equipment lookup and select a piece of equipment to bring up its data entry screen. Use the Type drop-down to select the Tool option. Once set, a new tab titled Tool Control will appear. Selecting this tab will bring up additional information specific to the tool. Here, users set many specifications, including the stockroom or tool crib where the tool resides. If the tool is currently checked out, information on who and where the tool was checked out to will be visible on the right. The tool transaction list will allow users to browse the complete check-in and check-out history, as well as any PM or repair work orders created when checking in the tool. Once all designations and specifications are set, select Save Record. Additionally, users can configure their tools further by navigating from the Admin menu to the System Configuration menu and selecting Maintenance Configuration. Select the Tool Control tab to bring up a series of additional settings for tools. This box can be selected if users wish to automatically approve work orders created from check-in repairs. Checking this box will send automatic tool repair notifications, and finally, this box can be checked to default the user's login for checking in and checking out. Default tool repair work order priority can be set from this drop-down, and default repair work order type can be selected from this drop-down. The Tool Generic Location Codes section shows a list of already existing location codes for tools. Users can adapt existing locations as well as add to this list. Locations can be made inactive by selecting the button in this column. Once all specifications are set, click Save Record. Tool transaction codes control how the system should react in the event of a tool being checked in, checked out, lost, broken, etc. Each code can identify whether to generate a repair order or a PM and what the status of the tool should have after the transaction. These transaction codes are exclusive to MAPCON Pro and are required when checking tools in or out. To set transaction codes, navigate to the Tool Control menu and select Tool Transaction Codes to be taken to a lookup of existing transaction codes. Users can either enter a new code and description at the top, or double-click a code to edit further. Here we'll choose to Edit Check-In tool. This screen will allow users to decide how the system will react when a tool is checked in. To ensure a specific PM procedure takes place after the tool is checked in, double-click the PM description field and select the desired PM procedure. This is useful for generating inspection PMs after tool usage. Next, users can set what the status of the tool will be after it's checked in, as well as the general location of the tool. This box can be checked if users wish to create a repair work order from the transaction, and a number can be entered here to determine how many days before the work order would be due. Once all code specifications are set, click Save Record. In most cases, specific tools are less important than the type of tool that's required for a job. For instance, a worker may not need a specific saw to complete a task, but rather any saw that is available at the time. Instead of planning individual tools, MAPCON's tool control allows users to plan groups of tools for work orders and PM procedures. When planning work orders or PMs, navigate to the Materials/Tools tab and select Plan Tools on the left. On the Update and Completion screen, the Required tab is named Labor/Materials. Here, users can double-click the blue field under Tool Group to select a group of tools to assign. In this field, users can decide how many of the tools in the group are required, and the number next to it shows how many are currently available. Once all planning is complete, click Save Record. To check a tool in or out from its stockroom or tool crib, navigate to the Tool Control menu and select Check In/Check Out. At the top of the screen, users can enter a default employee number and reason information before checking tools in or out. Double-clicking the blue field here will bring up a list of work orders. Selecting a planned work order will bring up an available tool within the tool group associated with the planned work order in the checkout list below. In the Check-in and Check-out sections, enter information on the desired tool, including its name, the employee taking or returning the tool, and the reason. The date and time will automatically generate. In the Check-in section, these boxes can be checked to generate a repair work order and to notify the employee with an email once it's completed. Once all the check-in and/or check-out information is entered, click Process Tools. If the MAPCON Service Billing module is enabled, an additional Check-in, Check-out screen will be available to check tools in and out to customers instead of employees. Instead of repair orders, billable service orders will be generated for that customer when a tool is checked in, and the option is enabled to generate repair orders. In MAPCON Mobile, the tool Check-in and Check-out options are located in the Asset menu. Checking tools in and out in MAPCON Mobile is quick and convenient for users on the go, especially when paired with the barcode module. For these tips and more, check out MAPCON Technologies on social media. Thank you for choosing MAPCON.